Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to apply the action-reaction force to solve two-body problems. So Newton's third law states that for every action there's an opposite and equal reaction. So if we have a book standing on a table, the force that the book is applying on the table is exactly the same but opposite to the force that the table is applying on the book. Those forces are identical to each other. So here we have a situation where we have Aaron, represented by this box here, box A, and we have Ben. I might just put Ben in a different color. I'll put him in red. And we have Ben. Now Ben is pushing Aaron. So he's applying a force on Aaron. Newton's second law tells us that if Ben is applying a force on Aaron, well then Aaron must be supplying a force back that is exactly equal in magnitude. Now, let's look at the actual numbers involved here. Aaron weighs 58 kilograms and Ben weighs 85 kilograms. And this force that's being applied is causing Aaron to accelerate at 14 meters per second squared, and that will obviously be in that direction. What that means is that the force applied to Aaron is equivalent to the product of 14 and 58. So we can use Newton's second law, F equals ma, to figure out what force is being applied on Aaron. Mass is 58 times the acceleration of 14, and my calculator tells me that 58 times 14 equals 812 newtons. So this force, the one acting on Aaron, is 812 newtons. And here's the trick. If this force is 812 newtons, then the reaction force has to be exactly the same, just acting in the opposite direction. So the force acting on Ben has to be 812 newtons as well. And now we know the force acting on Ben, we know his mass, so we can figure out his acceleration. Acceleration equals force divided by mass. The force is 812 newtons, and Ben's mass is 85 kilograms. My calculator tells me that 812 divided by 85 equals 9.6 meters per second squared. And that is how we can use action-reaction force pairs to solve two-body problems, using the information provided to figure out information about another object.